This video covers Wednesday's homework for Spelman for September 21st. This video will go over question 1 and a review of how to calculate unit rate. Once you can calculate unit rate, the rest of the questions should be simple because you only need to complete a few calculations for each of them. Question 1 and 2 relies on the same situation. The Scott family is trying to save as much money as possible. One way to cut back on the money they spend is by finding deals while grocery shopping. However, the Scott family needs help determining which stores have the better deals. 1. At Grocery Mart, strawberries cost $2.99 for 2 pounds, and at Baldwin Hills Market, strawberries are $3.99 for 3 pounds. What is the unit price of strawberries at each grocery store? If necessary, round to the nearest penny. I'm going to demonstrate how to find unit price by using Grocery Mart as an example. I'll abbreviate GM. At Grocery Mart, strawberries cost $2.99 for 2 pounds. You can think of this as a ratio of dollars to pounds, $2.99 to 2. Unit price is the cost per one. When I'm thinking about the cost per one, I'm simply finding an equivalent ratio of something to 1. I know that 2 divided by 2 is 1, and so I need to divide the left side of the ratio by 2 as well. $2.99 divided by 2 can be rounded to about $1.50. Of course, it's really $1.49 and a half a cent, but we'll round to 150. You don't even need to set up a ratio to solve this problem. You could simply say that defines the cost per strawberry or per pound of strawberries. You'll divide the total cost by the number of pounds, $2.99 divided by 2, which gives you a cost of $1.50 per pound. Now, make sure that when you are answering these questions, your answers include units. It shouldn't just say $1.50. It should say $1.50 per something. Unit rates always include something per something. That technically makes it a rate once it has the label, but the rate unit is important because it allows us to interpret the answer in context and answer questions like B, where we have to use the numbers we calculated to make a statement about the problem. In this question, you'll want to calculate the price per pound at Baldwin Hills. That will allow you to compare the two prices and decide which is cheaper for the Scott family. In the rest of Wednesday's homework, you're using unit rate or unit price to compare situations or to extrapolate on situations. Read carefully, and you should be able to use the same strategy I just demonstrated. As always, if you have questions, make sure to check in with me before the end of the week.